everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have purchased a 4-door wardrobe from Pepperfry, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble it at home. आपका नाम बोलिए please.
Faizi. Faizi.
So we have Mr. Faizi with us.
Tanveer Ali.
There's another person called Tanveer Ali, and both of them, they are assembling the 4-door wardrobe. So I'm going to show you one by one. Please do like, share and comment if you like this video. So keep watching. Pepperfry is an awesome site for getting the right item at best price with great customer satisfaction. So as you can see, I ordered for 4-door wardrobe from Pepperfry site. And you can see Mr. Faizi and Mr. Tanveer, they were here to assemble the product, and they were quite professional. The service of Pepperfry is outstanding, starting from delivery to installation. The carpenters who came for installation were very professional. All in all, it was a great experience. Finishing of the product is very smooth and sturdy. It is just like as shown in the pictures. It looks very simple yet elegant. The delivery and the assembly went very smoothly, as you can see. I was really happy with their service. So friends, you can see the height of the wardrobe is quite good, and there's a lot of space inside. It has sub-compartments inside. Here you have a lot of space. You can hang some clothes on hangers over there. Down below there's a drawer with a lock. There's another door. Here there are 3 compartments, and it's quite spacious. So I would like to thank Mr. Tanveer and Mr. Faizi for installing it very smoothly. Thank you so much.